Now, coming to this question number 39, a submarine is designed to withstand an absolute pressure of 100 atmosphere. How deep can it go below the water surface? So, here absolute pressure is equal to 100 atmosphere given, and that is equal to atmospheric pressure plus rho g h. So if I take 100 rho g h I have to calculate. That is first difference in the pressure of atmosphere with this absolute pressure 100, and the atmospheric pressure is 1 atmosphere. So that is 99 atmosphere by density is 1000. It's given as 1000 into g, it is 10. We have to have this, but that atmosphere we have to convert into Pascal. So that is 99 into 10 power 5 by 10 power 4. Here we have. So it comes out to be 10. So the height would be 990 meters. So the fourth option, you can see it is 990. That is the correct answer here. Coming to the question number 40, again you have another matrix match question here. So it is showing a microwave. First, you just check with the other waves. Radioactive decay, so that directly you can write it as the gamma rays. That we have marked it C2. C2, we have three options. But you go to microwaves, now we'll check. So now first we'll check with klystron valve specialized here. So here what happens is we have a specific here, a microwave is being taken here.
Satellite communication and industrial heating. Key facts about klystron tubes.